Hey guys, and welcome to the Tuesday stream. We're in playing Dyson Sphere Program, a game that I've seen like one video from, like on the other side of the room at a party, so I didn't really know what was going on. Oh man, that's loud in my ear. Let's just turn that down. How is the volume levels going? It's a new game, so I am not sure whether I'm loud, it's loud, we're both loud. As you can tell, it's a new game because I don't even have to continue. Hey, another 3, and hey, Cubic, how are you guys doing out there? Let's hit new game. We might get a whole bunch of intro. You might have the blessed relief of listening to them rather than me. We'll find out. See what goes on. Oh, I gotta like choose stuff. It's not just hit game and get going. All right, number of stars. I mean, 64 sounds good. Resource multiplier. Let's do 2 sounds great. All right. Any reason not to just click this one? No, let's just hit go. All right, go. How's everybody doing? I see Cubic's been playing an awful lot of this, so I'm relying on his help during all of this. Oh, another 3 you played? You played, buddy? You've been watching videos?
Welcome to the actual universe.
The actual universe.
You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
It's alright, I've already adapted to the laws of physics once. I'm sure I can do it again. I can stand up against gravity. Do you know how crazy that actually is? It's weird. It's weird. All right, we're flying down past some stars, and there's like constellations in the background. Do they have anything to do?
Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain your homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Drive. Hey, Megascrow, how you doing, buddy? We are playing Dyson Sphere Program. Let's drive that way. Should we drive the other way? It's not letting me drive the other way, guys. It's like just a single rail. Look, maybe I want that planet. Maybe I want to go over there. Where's the planet I'm supposed to be looking at? I'm sure it's around somewhere. Wait, that one. Do we turn back to it? He's just off on his own little adventure. I don't know if pressing buttons is doing anything. Oh, it does. Okay. I mean, which one do we want to go for, guys? Which one? Do we go and crash into the gas giant? I kind of feel like we should. I'm just no. Or do we? No. It's a distance though. Is there a speed up button? 1.2 kilometers. I know that takes some time to cross. I've tried to walk over a kilometer before. Are you right? But tired. Haven't been sleeping well. Oh yeah, that's. I normally turn to over the counter grade sleeping pills at that point. It strikes me occasionally. I have intermittent insomnia. And it really, sometimes it gets me, sometimes it's not. We're landing. It's a very lush green planet. Are we landing on top of that tree? We're not landing on top of that tree. That's a shame. Like, what do we want trees for? All right,
this
cool.
Is Icarus,
hey, Icarus.
a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality.
Mouse wheel.
You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
I don't think old Legs Boy here is traveling beyond the stars. I've got a feeling. All right, cool. Do I need to check out these tutorials?
Space capsule. Right-click on it to recycle.
Okay, we'll recycle our space capsule. It's always a good way to start out. I feel like this is one of the better diegetic ways of giving players starting resources.
Gravel, etc.
It's always hard to explain just like this random chest, right?
Shift and right-click to give a series of commands.
Okay, shift right-click for the
You
cube.
receive several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Lower right inventory. Well, this one, there's technology tree, mecha panel, statistics, replicator, inventory. It's also under E. All right, beautiful. We'll remember that. What we got? So we got some. Oh man, we are getting the copper ores. Should we get some more trees while we're at it? Let's just queue up a whole bunch of stuff. Is stone important? I don't know.
Mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Alright, I've got that. Thank you for the basic mouse controls. I'm not sure why we want to be looking inside our thing. Is this going to deplete Do I have trouble? Should we just go after some trees and some stone? I mean, does it have a number? I noticed when I clicked on this that it gave me a number for stone, but it's I didn't see if it gave us a number for the copper over there. Is that it? Is that what I need to do? Okay, let's do some of that and some of this. Okay, so are we going to be building stuff? Is there things we need to do?
Unlock the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research.
Okay.
Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
Okay, let's activate our research. So I presume we've already got Dyson Sphere Program. Copper's number I23, I23. What, like the complex number I23? Yeah, there's, we can't really tell how many resources in here. It just disappears off into the complex plane. All right, let's electromagnetism. Let's do this. Let's activate that. Copper's number is 29. Okay, Cooper's. Okay, so we got a thing there. We got a thing there. We're doing some electromagnetism. I can't. Ah, look, we can hover over this. We got a wind turbine. We've got a Tesla tower. We're building lots of those, and a mining machine. What does the Tesla tower do? The power transmission facility can extend power supply range. Okay, cool. That's fine. Core energy will be depleted soon. Please refuel. Where do I refuel? What's going on?
Energy is required in all mecha activities. If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
Okay, where do we get fuel from? So it's opened there. Is this the fuel over here? It best be hydrogen fuel rod. Let's just drop all 5 of those into there. Yeah, that was good. How do I make more? How do I make more? I presume they're going to tell me. Is that not? Are they not like, yes, well done, you did it? I kind of feel like, well done, I did it. Are we not moving on with the tutorial here? Any burnable material can go in there. So it can. All right, cool. What else we got that would burn? What about this plant fuel? That sounds like something I want to put in there. Okay, that's cool. So I've put a whole bunch of stuff in there. I don't feel like it's gonna move on and tell us some more stuff. Okay, we got rid of it. Let's go for an explore. Let's have a look around. Look, we got some black materials, coal vein. Let's go get some 6 stacks of coal. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the energy you have. Okay, this down here, beautiful. Statistics panel, text tree, replicator, inventory, detailed display. I mean, that's all very good. I'm still waiting for the research. Magnetic component. Do I need to build these? The most basic electronic component is very good. Made in handmade for assembler. Replicator. Okay, this is what we're looking for. We've got this thing here, right? I didn't take a stop to look how many we need. We need 10. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that should just go, right? We need some more stators, basic magnetic material. So we make that from this stuff. We just make more. What material is this though? Iron ore. We need to go find some iron ore. Let's start a grand adventure. We found copper. We found coal. Where else could iron be? The complex plane doesn't automatically mean big numbers, just TD. Yeah. But it's hard to say when you have I7 amounts of stuff. What that actually means. Okay, we got our research. All right, beautiful. What happens now that we've got
created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation?
Yes.
From the inventory, or select it on gathering of construction menu to build it.
Wind turbine, Tesla tower, mining machine. Now, what do we want to mine here? Is this just stone? I don't feel like stone's the winner. Stone, let's move over there. That means 7. Well, it's 7 with another component. Yeah, 7 upwards. It's a bit hard to intuit that. What is that? Is that iron? All right, we got iron. We're going to place down our mining dude on the iron. Collides, needs resources. Where do we put it then?
Use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping,
like that,
try holding down the shift key.
Okay, all right, fine. So that's like, what's that? 1, 2, 5. That's 6, and then we can get another 6 here. I don't think we're going to do better than 2 sets of 6. Let's go with that. And I'd like to put another one down, but it looks like maybe we're missing some stuff. Okay, we need some power to make this work. We can make power. What power should we make? A wind turbine? I think a wind turbine is pretty good. Will that just power straight this way? I think so. Press shift. Press shift. Okay.
You have established
Bit late, but we got it.
Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla Tower to extend the area of the power grid.
Okay, I mean, cool. Power gathering. Let's just make another one. Why not? Not enough items. Click to open the replicator. Do I need more stuff? That's not the replicator. Where's the replicator? But need to start working on the F, right? What do you need? Do I need to go through and automatically mix this stuff? I'm slowly but surely getting to grips with Avorian. Nice, mate. No, yeah, I saw your message, Code. Sorry, I was busy at the time and forgot to get back to you. Okay, so what do we need to make here? 2 more magnetic coils, and to make 2 magnetic coils we need 2 magnets, and to make those we need more iron, and to make more iron we've got to wait for this thing? Question mark. Let's go over and have a look. Does it just get put into my inventory? I'm not seeing this work. I'm not seeing it do anything. Do we need to put down the Tesla? Maybe we need to put down the Tesla tower. Let's just try that. I mean, I don't feel like putting it down right on top of it like that is a great idea, but we're going to try. You can place the miners off the snap grid. Yeah, we got that. Let's just pop that over there. I'm sure at some point that will be useful. You can pick it up. Okay, beautiful.
Building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower.
Yay.
It can carry out short distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
Tell me. Satisfaction 100%. So does it not go from there to there? It doesn't look like it does. Maybe we can move the wind turbine and move the Tesla tower. Shift to copy. That's cool. Right. Do we need to put another bit of tech on? If we've got that first one, what else are we going to be working towards? Oh, technology upgrades. Oh man. Look at this. Let's just get rid of all this quick. Look at this. What is all this? It's a whole bunch of upgrades. Got a solar set. Solar sails. So we can. Universe exploration is ready to go. Mecha core is ready to go. I mean, I kind of feel like we need to do that. We need 20 iron and 20 copper ingots. Okay. This all looks good. Click on the mine. You can take the stuff from it. Can we? Oh, so this is the mine. I thought it was bringing up my inventory, and there's mine. So if I do that and be like, hey, dude, can you gather from? There we go. All right. I'm beginning to get it. Do I have to click on that? Is there a thing? Mecha core, giant stompy things. That is the plan. Okay, so now let's try and... Oh, what's this? Stone. Just making some random stone. Okay, can we be like, hey, produce this? We can be like, hey, produce this. Okay, cool. It makes a nice little queue of stuff at the top there. That's cool. One thing I keep running into is that you can't resize a placed block. There is, like, you can resize either the whole ship, or what I do is I copy and paste the block that I'm trying to resize, and then you can resize the paste thing. That is quite a handy thing for me. Talking of Avorian. All right, let's move this over. Oh man, to that one there. That then gets the last of the stuffs of the things. This is good. Let's grab some more of that. Do I really have to click this every time? This guy is not good enough. Oh no. Shift to copy, and we are out of items. So let's make some new. Oh no, too many escapes, guys. Too many escapes. We've got a Tesla tower over here. Can we produce? I don't know. That many of them. Let's just click on a few of them. Is there any law? I mean, we're in the actual universe. That's what they said. We're in the actual universe. But they said it in the way that didn't mean our actual universe. It's like the name is called the actual universe. All right, let's do that because I may have slightly messed up my Tesla. Can we pick this up? There must be a way of picking this up, right? I mean, there doesn't have to be, but... construction mode. All right, cool. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Let's get our next technological upgrade underway. Okay, so we've activated that, right? Activate. Okay, cool. We need to make all of this stuff over here. Use inventory items. Yes, indeed. So coming into the components, let's just click. What are these? 20? Is there a shift button to help that happen? Oh, this is rubbish because I could go up to times 10, but I've still got to press it multiple times anyway. You can take items out with a conveyor belt or on a hotbar, press X to delete there it is. All right, cool. Dismantle facility. Dismantle the facility. Okay, cool. Does that give it back to me? It does. All right, how about that? And then how many of these did we need? 19. Okay, let's do that. Let's put this up to 10 and just make 2 because that's going to be. So when will the titular Dyson Sphere happen? I don't know. I assume quite a way into the future. I'm hoping with your guys' help we can get a fair amount done. I have really just been sitting around chatting for a little bit though. Let's go back to our technologies. So we have got basic logistics system. That sounds pretty important. We should probably go for that. Basic assembly process. That also sounds pretty important. Fluid storage, high energy plasma. I'm feeling like maybe we want to get the assembly process underway and then the logistics, or the other way around. Let's have a look at the logistics here. We got storage, we got sorters, we got let's get this. Ooh, can I make these circuits? I don't think I can make the circuits yet. I'm going to in-queue, but I don't think we're quite there yet. What would give me access to circuits? Everything requires circuits. Did this require circuits? Well done. You have given 40 megajoules to the max core energy. It's good. I forgot that I need to fuel up. Yeah, none of these seem to actually be what I was looking for. Maybe I've already got access to it. Maybe I have. Let's find out. I don't think so though. Oh look, it's here now. They're like, yeah, go on. You suddenly found out that you needed it, so go ahead. Okay, it's making 10 despite me asking for 5. Oh, look, it says there, times 2. All right, pay attention. Does help. And then the next thing we wanted is over here, a bunch of gears. That's a 10, 1 second for 1. Okay, let's just queue up 2 sets of 5. Beautiful. All right, Christ. Attention. I don't know what attention is, mate. What? It's around somewhere. Okay, look, it's actually getting made in the background here as we're doing stuff. Okay, I am about that. So I can pause my research as well. That's pretty cool. Let's just, is this the furthest out view that we can see of this? There must be some sort of, satellite we can launch, right? Almost definitely. I like the jetpack flying over the water. What is this thing? Oh look, it's got a bunch of crystal inside. Oh, is it stone? Oh, that's not as interesting as I was hoping for. You have unlocked the automated logistics, the conveyor belt and sorter. You can use them to automatically transport the ores gathered in the mining machine to smelt or load them into storage. All right, cool. Yeah, that's almost exactly what I want. Look at this.
And the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting. Okay,
cool. So I guess I'm gonna have to study the smelting, but I've been told to press it.
In the
thank you.
Mode, you can hold down the middle mouse button, drag, rotate the angle of view, and hold down the right mouse button, drag to roll the angle of view. Press N key to point to the front to the North Pole.
I was about to say which one's the North Pole.
View mode, slide the mouse wheel to enter the star map
Ooh.
mode.
This game seems pretty big, guys. Look at them all. Yeah, I like this. All right, let's return home. I pressed M. It's not taking me home. So let's try zooming in. Escape. Yeah. Okay. Escape works. Okay, that's cool. We need to build an assembler, and I'm guessing to build the assembler, we need to get basic metallurgy on the go. Yeah, look at that. There it is. Smelter. Did I say assembler? I meant smelter. My apologies. I'm going to activate that. And then, hey, you got 2 planets surrounding your starting gas giant. Is that good? Or is that bad? Is that a low number, or is that a high number? I'm also going to in-queue this one. I feel like getting metallurgy and assembly underway at the same time might be a winner. Might be the winner. Okay, can we do that from... No, we can't. We've got to do it from here. So we need 10 of these. We can do that. Beautiful. We also want 10 of those. Great. We've got all the stuff, so that should work out wonderful. Hey, I was going to be like Bicycle Frontier, but hey, Landstrider, how you doing, buddy? You having a good time? Yeah, I noticed on your alt account. If you don't know who Bicycle Frontier is, go and check out the channel. He's doing a bunch of homesteading, and there's some trail mix recipes on there and stuff like that. Go and check out what he's doing. If you like the outside, if you've even been outside once, go and have a look. Go and have a look. Anyway, have we got all the manual research done? Is that the things that we need? Oh, it's still making. It's still making. I'm also making 10 too many. I'm just gonna let that sail on through, because you never know. I'm always certainly gonna need more of them afterwards. There's a lot of just standing around waiting for your dude to make some stuff like this. I've got a feeling that when we get the assemblers on the go, it's going to be better. One thing I have noticed, though, there's not a great deal of space to be placing smelting machines around here. Let's go and cut down some trees. I've got a feeling... oh, no, press the wrong button. I'm too used to the right mouse button being the move your map around button. We've got to learn new keys. New keys. It's going to be fine. We're going to do well. It's organic crystals. What are organic crystals? Outside, what room is that in? I don't know, mate. I've heard they got some great graphics on it, though. Honestly, today's media might be doing better than most of the outside graphics. Okay, we got metallurgy done. That means we can go towards that production. Look at this. We got a smeltery. We got a smeltery. Do we have to wait for this guy to go and pick up all the logs? Okay, we'll do that. Outside is overrated. It's okay. The difficulty's up a little high for me, but it's okay. I kind of like outside. Stuff happens there, you know. Stuff happens. All right, can we get our way over this way? Where are we going to build our first smeltery? I mean, I suppose this is the area I've just cleared out. It seems like a good place to do it, right? Can we do more than?
Smelter.
Yes.
Which can smelt basic materials.
Thank you.
Such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically.
I kind of figured.
If you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously, you need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Do I have to use the sorters? Can I not just be like conveyor belt from here to there? Choose the starting position. This one, right?
All you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up one level, and use the down arrow key to drop down one level.
3 dimensions.
Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you
Oh, we've
don't
got
want
problems.
the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Okay, we got a variety of problems. The first is that I am running out of... that we got power in the way. The second is that I am running out of power, so we're going to take care of that. We've got my mech suit here. Am I just going to drop 100 logs in? There's no way that, but 148 megajoules. Okay, we'll make do with that. We'll make do with that. I also want to get some Tesla towers. Let's try and move this over here. Did I leave enough room in between that we can... Oh, no, it doesn't stretch far enough. Okay, that's cool. 2 places to another power facility. I understand. What's the get rid of button? It turns out it's a right click. And then I want a lack of items. We got to wait for stuff. Got to wait for stuff. This guy complaining about the lack of power. Yeah, I see what happened there. I see what happened. Let's quickly redo that. This game looks pretty cool. I do agree. It looks almost wonderful. I'm waiting to see exactly how deep it goes. A full belt of 6 iron per second will feed 6 furnaces for a full belt of iron out. Okay, all right. Thanks. So, okay, we'll figure out what we can do here. I'm just gonna run. This is the sorter, right? This is a sorter.
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
Okay, I see. We'll put the sorter on afterwards, I think. We'll get this one. And it's like, don't, this isn't a start point, this is an end point. I'm like, yeah, maybe, but I need to connect. Collides with objects. What are you colliding with? Oh, I see. Can you come out this way? And then lack of items. What am I lacking? Let's go and get some more iron out of this, right? You give me. Thank you. And then you also give me. Forgot about that. Okay, cool. Let's try and move this one on a little bit. F1. Okay, got not enough items. What are we missing? What are we missing? Does it tell me in here what we're missing? This one. Okay, I am missing... There should be nothing. Okay, fair enough. If the game properly models day-night on the planet, you could use solar only by making a solar net spread around. Yes, add a second wind turbine sounds like a plan. We've been getting a little bit of power issues here. So construction mode, not enough items. What? Double click to go to replicator. Okay, make one of those as well. Look at that, beautiful. RTS or sim, I believe. There might be some RTS elements that I'm unaware of in the background. Kubik's the man to talk to about this. He's been playing it pretty solidly. Cyber Otaku, how you doing? Dyson Spheres won't work. It's a swarm or a series of rings. I'm all about the Dyson Swarm myself. I think the Swarm is the only one that actually leads to a usable system. You know what I'm saying? Almost everything else just ends up... Like, no one could build a ring... Well, I'm not going to say no one, you know. There's going to be some advanced civilization in the future. But... As it stands, trying to find a material that will go in a ring around a sun, it's just not feasible. Not feasible. Okay, how's this thing going? We got one. Basic assembly process. Awesome. You have unlocked the assembly machine Mark 1. You can make iron and copper ingots into more advanced products. Okay, we need to go and find a copper mine. I think this is something that we're missing. If I was to look around, look. Is that nighttime coming at me? I think it is. Oh, look! The edge of a planet there. Stellaris Ringworld would be cool. It would be cool. It would be cool. Like so the guy who authored Ringworld, I was about to say the movie there, the book, has come out with another one recently. So I follow some guy called Jean-Michel Gaudier, and he does a whole bunch of sci-fi and stuff like that. I'm trying to remember where I came from because there's copper over there. And he talks to... Oh, can I fly? No. Can we run? And he talks to a lot of authors and stuff, and one of the guys was there. Definitely Swarm is the most feasible, I agree. Mercury for the first one. I've been preaching this to my friends for a little while. Did you know that Mercury has an oversized iron and nickel core compared to its size, right? There's much more core than you would expect. So it's kind of begging for something. Samantha, how you doing? You're not late. No one's ever late. You arrived exactly when you meant to. Surely. Okay, let's put down a storage, logistics, gathering. There we go. We're gonna put down one of these. Not enough material. I double clicked it. I'm gonna make two of those. Whilst we're here, what else should we make? Storage? No. Let's make a couple of sorters. We're going to want... I'm told 6 smelters is the magic number, so let's get one of those. Now we're running out of iron, so let's go back. Begging for some precision nuking. Sorry, who's begging for some precision nuking? I'm not necessarily going to disagree, but I'm not sure what you mean. Oh wait, where am I based right now? Oh guys, I got lost. Guys, I can't remember where I was. There's my stuff. All right, okay, we're fine. I gotta walk to the right some more. We'll be fine, guys. We'll be fine. It's all gonna be fine. Oh, for Mercury, yeah. I mean, I don't know. Nukes are great, but they're a bit undirected, you know. This is a very small planet. I like small planets. Small planets means you get to get your head around them. Yes. Is there a way to pick up stuff off the belts like you could in Factorio, or do I need to come in here and drag these off of these guys? I mean, I'm all about that, but I'm not sure. Okay, can we right click? We did this one already, right? Yeah, certainly did. But yeah, I mean, Mercury's mostly made out of a crust of silicon and an iron nickel core. Tell me that's not supposed to be a whole bunch of solar panels. Energy going to be depleted. Oh no. Can I like shift and click the lot? No, it turns out I can't. That's a shame. I need I need stuff to burn. I suppose I should really be digging coal rather than just throwing entire forest worth of wood into my furnace. I don't know. Whatever works. Let's press E. No, E was the wrong one. What is it? C for the mech panel. I do also, there we go, put that whole stack into the fuel chamber. Thank you. 148 megajoules. Beautiful. That'll keep me running for a moment. Clock the belt and just take the item from the GUI. I have no idea what you're trying to say there, Cubic. Sorry. Or rather, I am not. Did it not go it? Oh, it's going up. Okay, I see. So it's burning the fuel to then put stuff in my chamber. Ooh, stuff in your chamber. But down here, yeah, core capacity, and then this is filling up the gate. Okay, I get it. It's a bit extra lines, but click the belt. All right, we'll go for that in a set. I wanna set this up first. Is it? Oh, yeah, it was. Oh, look how much this could do. No. There, that looks like a good place for it. Click to build, and then and then shift to just place it wherever it needs to go. Go like here. Oh, we're missing one. Look at this guy right here. Look at him. Should we just mine it by hand? Because there's no way that's gonna be a waste of our time. The key will really be how to use every bit of it, because taking resources from Earth is too costly. You need to send solar-powered, self-replicating nodes to program to convert the entire planet. Yeah, pretty much. I mean, like, we've already got, like, look at Curiosity and Perseverance. Yeah, the size of what they've got. Like, Perseverance is an entire chemical laboratory upon it, right? Are you telling me we can't just rip all that out and be like, yeah, let's just have like a drilling machine with some sort of 3D printing. You've seen those 3D printing concrete machines, right? Not great technology right now, but we're working on it. Having me a little bit of a drink here. Okay, right. So let's put a wind turbine up. Not enough items. Oh, how many of these can we make? Let's just try and make like 4 of them. Okay, that's pretty good. How many Tesla towers do we have? Is there a way of like sorting out my? Yeah, okay, let's put the stuff that I want to pay attention to at the bottom here. Organic crystals. What do you do with an organic crystal? 3D printed concrete. Yeah. Just search 3D printed building, and you'll find something that is just like concrete oozed out of what essentially is a piping bag, you know, for like for cakes, but like scaled up to building sized. They're great. You can use the hotbar at the bottom to access the buildings. What, here? Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's for keeping track of the number. You smoke? No, you smoke. Anyway, moving on. Storage. I don't think we need storage yet. We got smelters, assemblers. How many assemblers do you reckon we're gonna? I don't even know what we're gonna assemble yet, but I'm just gonna make a whole bunch of them because I've got a feeling we're gonna need them at some point. Well, you get down here. Okay, let's now exit out of here. Press 1. We get to put down a wind turbine. Do these like have any particular like? In Surviving Mars, there was a wind map, so I could see where was the windiest place to put down my wind turbines. Is that a thing that exists in this game or not? Assemble sharp metal plates. Yeah, just to like shake them at people, right? Logistics, let's get this. We're going to construct one out there. Bring it around, maybe to a major sorting facility. How many belts do I need to make? Oh my gosh, let's just double click that. And excuse me, can you just... that many? Is that all I'm allowed to make? I need to go get more iron. I'll be back. I'm not used to the middle mouse button for my map yet. Okay, so we're over there on that archipelago. Isthmus? More of an isthmus. The whole planet just makes wind. I mean, everybody farts. It's true. The whole planet does make wind. Even how far do you have to go before something doesn't fart? Like, how far away on the evolutionary tree? Like, all mammals fart. All birds, I should imagine, fart. Dolphins must fart. Has anyone got any footage of a dolphin farting underwater? Is that a thing? I'm not weird, you're weird. What? All right, let's have a look. Coal ore, let's put that in there. I saw a coal device over here. Once we've got the iron coming into it, does this need coal as well, or is it just power? Just power, probably. Not all animals fart. Is this true? I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not being an expert zoologist. Oh man, we got time until we can even make three bits of conveyor. Takes a particular kind of digestive. Dolphins and whales do fart. A whale fart can sink us. I bet. Piranhas bark. Lol. I'm just gonna grab these materials. Grab a couple of loads of these materials. All right, this is cool. I don't think we're gonna get a very efficient game underway, but we're definitely talking about the important things here, like making Dyson spheres out of mercury and whether dolphins fart or not. The piranhas fart. I mean, like a fish. The fish. I mean, where would they get the? I mean, like you don't have to have air around you to produce your own gases. So I should imagine. Is this too far? Do we need to stop on this conversation? Okay, let's have a look in the replicator. I really want to make like 100 of these. There we go. There's a whole bunch. It's a whole bunch. Dog farts are the word. I'll take your word on that. I'll take. Like my family have owned a dog once upon a time, but I was very young. Not fish or birds. Ah. Yeah, there's not a bird out there that's managed to harness the jet power. Oh, come on, replicator. How far away from you from making this? Just a little bit of time. Let's have a look at our tech tree and see what we need to do to make our tech tree. We've done a whole bunch of stuff there. That's pretty cool. What's the electromagnetic matrix? Hey, what's this? Unlocks the electromagnetic matrix, one of 5 basic source codes that keep the center brain stimulated. Is the foundation of all scientific and technological research. I think we might need to make some of these. I, however, am going to come down and do some of these other things. Like, what's the electromagnetic drive? We can make some motors. We need to make... Okay, maybe that is the next thing we need to do. Yeah, these all seem to be gated by that. Okay, all right. I think we may have accidentally done things in the right order. I know. Stand back, guys. Whoa. Actually, whilst I'm thinking about it, we want to come to the upgrades and see if we've got any upgrades that we can make. Like, not there, but maybe this. No, we don't have access to the motors yet. How do I right-click? Be gone with ye. We could definitely do some of these, though. Surely. Having a look through, see what we mean. I don't know what this is. Energetic graphene. No. Drive engine. Burp. Magnetic coil and coal. We can do this one. We'll do this one once we've done this. Man, I can't move my chat. I'm trying to shuffle around. The EM drive. EM drive. Fart jet birds up next in sci-fi. You know it, man. You know it. The bogus space drive weaker than ion drive. I mean, the thing is, if it was real, then it would be like free energy, right? It doesn't matter how weak it is. You just build a really big one. Do I need to put the... Have I built this back to front? What do I need to do here? What do I need to do? We were told to build sorters. Let's build a sorter. Okay, here's a sorter. Too far. That's not very helpful. Okay, well, how about if we... I'm sure Cubic's having a little heart attack as he laughs at me trying to figure this out. So if we got that and we go sorter and then we go there. Okay, it does that one. Can we then angle too wide? I kind of feel like that should be it. I really do feel like that should be it. How about if we rip this one down? In fact, rip these two down and try and put it on the... I don't want to rip that down anymore. We select and then press shift. No, we're still in construction mode. Stop being in construction mode. Please select recipe. Yeah. Okay. Iron ingot. There we go. Right, we got stuff underway. Why can't I just copy that? Everything else has just been like press shift to copy, but not this one. How about we put this here?
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe, and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
What was wrong with shift and click? What is wrong with these people? What is wrong with these people? Okay, let's try and take this sorter to there. Collide with another. What am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong here? Sorter. Hey Honza, how you doing, buddy? I'm just finding out that I have no idea how to connect more than one of these up to a building at any one time. You can, you can place the sort of things from belt right next to the furnace. No, I don't. I don't know that. Okay, I think I understand what you're trying to say, though. So if I was to, for instance, let's just rip all this stuff down. If I was to get, so it's almost like. What's the word I'm looking for? The robot arms. That was a bad way of doing that. Like this. Like this. Like this. Maybe we'll rip up this one because it's a bit out of the way. And then like this. Okay, let's try that. And then we get ourselves a little bit of a Tesla turret at the background here. Not Tesla turret. Oh, Tesla turrets would be great. We'll pop those down. I'm feeling like we don't actually need it so far. Plus shift to copy. I see. And then we go across here like this, and then we turn the map around because 3D game, would you believe? In here, logistics sorting, something like, there we go. Look, this is how you do it. I bet we could do it on the other side as well. There. All right. I'm starting to see. Thanks for the reference. The stream is a bit laggy. As far as I'm aware, it's just you. I always recommend a good restart at some points. Okay, so now that we've got that, I guess we're using this to then pass backwards. Wait, we've got to select a recipe. That one. So it was less than or greater than. Greater. There we go. Brilliant. All right, cool. We've passed the signal across, but the whole game is just like, oh, please, I've got no power. I need more power. I'm like, okay, let's go and put some power down. How about you over there? This island is going to become Windy Island. You can just feel it. You can just feel it. Okay, we got some power going. We got some soil piles. What type of jet would a fart jet bird be though? Turbojet, scramjet, or aerospike? But blatantly a scramjet, right? Scramjet. I need to sort out my coal mine. I feel like my life is kind of dependent on me sorting out a coal mine at some point, and I've still not done it. So we're going to make 2 of these if we can. We can make one. Okay, I'm not sure what we're missing here, but we can make one. And we will make some coal. And then I could put the coal in my energy stores. Scramjets are the best. It's true. How am I? I'm doing very well. Thank you. Learning a new game. Always good. Always good. Beautiful. College is going well, and things. How are you doing, buddy? How are you doing? I hope you're also having a good time. It's all about having good times, right? It's all about having good times. I really need to be able to get this coal mine down, though, if at all possible. Gathering this. Can we do it? Can we do it? Like that might be the best one. Probably better than that. I mean, we could just kind of swing it around. Is that a good way? Maybe move into... Oh no. There. That's the best one. Oh, the snap to grid is terrible. Okay, let's try that. Started XCOM 2 on Legend and then started on Commander. Yeah, it's been a while since I played some good XCOM, actually. We played a lot of games that are like it. I don't know if you watched the Galaxy Squad stream that we did a little while ago. I like to call it XCOM Lite. That was not any good. That was not any good. I like to call it XCOM Lite because it's a light version of XCOM, right? It's got like the faster than light map, and go around doing stuff. It's good. It's good. It's good. Play Phoenix Point. At some point I will, but I'm not sure if you've noticed. I'm very busy at the moment, as I'm sure you can appreciate. Click to build this like back here. That'd be great. That'd be great. All right, cool. We're getting some coal now. This means I could just put this in my burning hole and see if it gives me enough materials. Okay. Right, cool. Maybe coal's gonna good. What degree? I bet space stuff. Yeah, you got it, man. Can't figure out where to get a girlfriend in lockdown. Lack of motivation reflects in school, but other than that, great. Yeah. So my degree. So at the moment, I'm doing what's called an access to higher education course. That just gives me like a throwaway diploma that lets the universities know that I know how to study, because it's been 20 years, give or take. Something like that, since I was last doing so, and they need to know that I can still, think. First couple of weeks, woo, that was hard, but yeah, once I got back up to speed, it was good. But afterwards, I'm going to be hopefully doing physics with astrophysics, because yeah, like I say, it's space stuff. I like space. I hope to be specialising in neutron stars. FRBs are interesting and stuff like that. But just neutron stars in general, because like black holes are all good, but you don't really get to study the inside of a black hole. Black holes are really for studying, the quality of space itself. Yeah, that's why people study black holes. I think I'm more interested in matter than the actual fabric of space-time. And neutron stars are the last place you get to see what's going on with matter in the most extreme environments. That's my thought process, anyway. may have thought about it a little bit. Where are you going, guys? They're going to go build a belt. Cool. I still have no idea where I'm taking this stuff. Let's knock down some of these trees and then maybe think about how to turn this copper into copper plates. And I assume from somewhere we're going to be turning those plates into more refined materials. So you wouldn't want to dive into a black hole for science, no, but I would. Oh, excuse me. I wouldn't want to try and stand on top of a neutron star either. I'm quite happy studying them from far away. Just answer the dark matter question, you'll be famous. Yeah, totally. I was watching a few talks on people's dark matter, but honestly, I think dark matter is the sign of our epicycles, right? It's the sign that something's not quite right, and somewhere along the line, we've done a really good job at convincing ourselves that something in the model is perfect when it's not. Degree, so you like space but inclined towards economics or business. You'll make more money out of economics or business. You'll just feel the dark taint spread across your soul. You just got to weigh up the options there, It's fair, right? I've known business people that agree with me. Okay, smelters. Let's come in here and go 1, 2. I'm told 6 is the number here. We're just gonna put down lack of item. Maybe that's maybe I want more items. Smelters. What are we missing here for this? We are missing magnet, for which we are also missing iron ore. We need ore. Oh man. Okay, let's go over this way. Walk, man, walk. Neutron star grows and becomes so dense that light cannot escape. Well, that's when it becomes a black hole, right? That's the crossover point. But I don't know. Maybe neutron stars are the best ticket we've got to finding out what is going on inside of a black hole. Because obviously the stuff inside doesn't fundamentally change just because gravity has gone over this magical number that stops light going. All right, the stuff that is like 1% less massive than that is the same as the stuff that's 1% more massive than that. Maybe I don't know. Maybe there is a tipping point right there. What did I come over here for? Iron ore. Maybe there is. But I need to go and get myself educated enough to be able to assert a proper opinion on that. A heavier neutron star is indeed smaller. It's true. Brown dwarfs also follow that. So, like Jupiter, if we just carried on pouring stuff onto Jupiter, for starters, we'd have to pour 27 more Jupiters on there before it would ignite, but it would actually get smaller before it got bigger, which is just crazy. But if you think about it, like, it's squeezing harder, right? It's squeezing much, much harder. 6 of them? Yes. What's the difference between a neutron star and a quasar, the space layer? So, I can't remember whether quasars are actually specifically black holes eating. But quasars are one of the compacted objects. But I think it's probably a black hole. And things are falling in so fast that it can't actually get over the surface of the black hole fast enough. And it ends up picking up so much speed and getting caught up in the magnetic field and other physics that I'm not advanced enough to know yet, that ends up shooting it through the poles at about the speed of light. It might as well call it the speed of light. It's not actually, but it's near enough. And they're being fired out so fast out of the pole that we see that whipping around. The thing to remember that I think a lot of people don't appreciate with quasars is that, so you know when you've got something that's spinning, and as it starts to fall over, the top wobbles around a bit, like huge wobbles around. That's what's happening with a quasar, is the top is wobbling. It's not the rotation. It's not like the thing is spinning so fast. It's wobbling so fast, and that's why these things can rip around like milliseconds in between, because it's not trying to rip itself apart. Pulsar, yeah. Yeah, whereas the neutron star is just things getting squashed. Just things getting squashed. I want to have a look and see how we're doing for the manual research here. I think we can probably make a few stuff for this. It kind of has to be, right? Let's make 10 of these, just like that. All right, beautiful, beautiful. And then 10 of these as well. These are 2, so we'll just click that once. All right, beautiful, nice. What about the thermal energy that escapes from a black hole at its poles? So, I mean, the problem is that we talk a lot about things escaping from a black hole, like the jets out the top of a quasar and stuff like that. But that stuff never goes in the black hole. That stuff is just stuff that got really close and then got spat out because there wasn't enough room for it, you know? Enough room for it to cross that two-dimensional boundary that is the inside of the black. You know, it's a bit weird. It all gets a little unintuitive. I'm totally not confused myself and forgot where I am now. Let's come over here and let's try and make ourselves some sorters. We will need to be able to sort these into these. We also need to try and get the Tesla towers up. We can do that right now, right? If I pull out of here, click and pull. That's a wind turbine. That's not quite what I'm after. One of those. All right, cool. I don't have any. Oh no! I'm gonna have to set up big machines for a lot of Tesla towers. I need several hundred of them. You know, several hundred. Science fiction with Arthur. Yeah, SFIA. Science fiction and futurism with Isaac Arthur. Man, I've been watching his stuff since the original Megastructures series. Yeah, I'm all about that. All about that. Electromagnetism has been completed. Woo! You have unlocked the Matrix Lab, or rather, the center brain connector you will use it to upload the matrices to the center brain to obtain that technology. I've got a feeling I should have built more machines by now. You know, I just got a feeling. Okay, let's exit out of there. We got some good stuff going. We got some good stuff going here. This guy needs to be told to build something. There we go. Building. One of these is like copy and then paste, paste, paste. All right, cool. Sweet. I hope we don't go extinct in 100 years. I hope we don't. I just hope we don't go extinct. When the universe is winding down and there's not enough power and we're all like, oh man, I hope that we are the guys trying to eke our existence out from around like black holes because it's the only energy source that is available to us, you know? I hope that's us. I hope we're the guys that are like, hey, we found this way of breaking thermodynamics and we can actually carry on the universe going. Or if not, we're the guys being like, hey, so we're going to imprint ourselves themselves on the future. So I was having a chat with one of my friends, Mad Frank, and I was talking to him about conformal cyclic cosmology. It's Roger Penrose's latest work, and basically he's like, look, if you look at the end of the universe in a sort of a topological sense, you know, in this sort of weird abstract mathematical sense, the end of the universe looks an awful lot like the beginning of the universe. Like, a lot like it. Like, unbelievably like it. What's to say that one doesn't go into the other, right? It's a bit more nuanced than that. Like, so much more nuanced than that. So, like, this leads to the idea of a cyclical universe. So it's not a new idea, but it's just a nice new way of phrasing it. And as I was saying, I was talking to Mad Frank, and we were talking about, you know, the beings that would exist at the end of the universe. You know, like the people, the civilizations. You know, are they going to be millions? Are they going to be a handful? You know, who knows? But there will be some sort of AI, right? I think we can all be agreed that the thing that exists at the end will probably be a product of our evolution, not its own natural evolution, or some intelligent creature's evolution. And it's going to be looking at the universe resetting. It's going to have the last of the matter and the energy under its control, right? And it's going to be looking to the future, being like, how do we influence the universe, right? How do we influence the universe that is to come? But if the universe is cyclic, then that's already happened, right? Back before our Big Bang, there was another civilization with another AI that was trying to imprint itself so that whatever biological beings were there would inevitably, by the way the universe played out, try and recreate the AI that was there at the beginning of the last universe. And that's a bit crazy, right? If you think about it, like, there could be something that's just trying to sustain itself indefinitely through the universe by setting up the next one to mean that it has to exist. It could, like, you know, with a fair enough collection of, you know, physical laws and stuff, there's nothing to stop a sufficiently intelligent being doing things like that. So anyway, this is why I want to be leader of the universe. I think I found a way to immortality. If it's British, it's going to be like, "Oh, mate, your universe isn't even ending itself." Oh, yeah. How did it begin? This is always the question, right? How did any of the cyclic things begin? Just pushes the question down the road, right? Just pushes the question down the road. We made 60 of these. We can't. Lack of materials. What are you lacking? What are you lacking? More iron ore. Okay, let's go get more iron ore. I'm fairly sure we could have by now automated the magnetic coils. Let's have a look and see what it is we need to do so. Replicate a magnetic coil. So we need to make a magnet. We make that magnet from the iron. Okay, so this is iron coming out of here. Let's build an assembler machine. The first assembler machine. How long have we been playing the game now? First assembler machine of the playthrough. Ooh. I'm going to put it on this side. We're making plates, so let's make magnets over here. Yeah. I think this is good. We've got soil coming in by the Wazzle. You can combine conveyor belts, by the way, like one over the other. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Research. Look at this. Ooh, matrix lab. I presume that works kind of like the Factorio ones. Okay, so now that we got this, what do you mean no? Oh, I want to go that way. Okay, all right. We'll just have to build some more in here somewhere. Keep right-clicking until we're at the replicator. Buildings. Sort of. There we go. So really, what do you guys think about the AI that's imprinting itself on the next universe? Is it inevitability? Are we destined to only have AI that are trying to push itself forwards through the universe through setting up the starting conditions of the universe to mean its existence is an inevitability? I kind of feel like it has to be a thing, you know? I kind of feel like it has to be. Logistics, there we go. Oh man, I'm waiting for my stuff to get built. Why are we waiting? More. Just more. It's a bit hard to figure out what's going on in my inventory. It's such a mess. I'm sure there's a way of doing better, but I don't have it. Shift to copy from you to you. No. Oh, do you not like... Oh, okay. Let's try this instead then. Wait. We'll go from here to there. Okay, that works. That works. That's a bit of a shame. That's a bit of a shame. I understand what they're saying here, but I kind of don't like it. Like that one to there. Cool. It's been an hour already. Yeah, I know. Crazy, right? Crazy. I don't like the fact that this one's not getting power. Oh no. Can we do it like this way? Is that gonna do it? Maybe there. I feel like I pulled one too far over. All right, cool. We're good. All right, this is cool. This is cool. So we're now going to be like, hey, excuse me, can you build? That's not what I want. Where's the actual magnet? Wait, I can't make a magnet. Is it made through different materials in my inventory as opposed to with my stuff? Look at this. It just wants iron ore going straight to the magnet. But I'm looking at this and it's not letting me. So I've got a feeling to do that it wants. Okay. What's going on the other side of this? Let's put down a belt and see what it spits out, shall we? Let's put down a belt and see what we got here. Blup. You make them in the smelter. Okay, thanks. Let's do this here then. We'll wipe that, and this out. Okay, and then we'll grab this bad boy. Are we gonna have a space in between again? Yeah, I think we will. I could have offset these. Let's do it. Let's offset these. We need them to look good, right? That's important. I feel like that's important. Okay, like that. Cool. No, zoomed in. Give me. Can I shift click that? I can. Shift click seems to be the picker tool here. Am I kind of okay with it? I think there's better ways of doing that, but it's kind of okay. Let's get the conveyor. Is that a conveyor? Yeah, it's a conveyor. All right, beautiful. Can we run up here and still be good? I don't know exactly, but we're going to find out. Shift click. Nope. Right click out of that. There's a lot of like remembering how far through the process you are. For instance, knowing that I'm in the build mode. It doesn't like this. It's too close or something. I'm not sure exactly, but we'll just remove it and try again. Why not? What's the worst that could happen? Here. Let's just kind of run up that way. From there to there. Wait, we need to change these. Stop. There we go. To this. Okay, and then we go from you, one of you, copy, paste. All right, like that. Okay. I'm not convinced. I think the universe is entirely different from what it came from, and will be entirely different when it evolves into the next reality. Yeah, I mean that is possibly a way it plays out. I mean, who knows? Too far. I disagree. Yeah, could you imagine like universe? Well, I mean, it's a bit hard to, but can you imagine universes with different rules and stuff? You know, like an extra. Like, there's no reason that we couldn't have an extra spatial dimension. Like, just because our puny brains can't think about what a fourth dimensional turn would even look like, doesn't mean it can't exist. There we go. At last, we're there. All right. Outputting. Look at me output. You can... Oh, no, I've already done that. Oh, on the left. That's a shame. That's a shame. Okay, replicator. We need to make a whole bunch or more of these. These are one of the things I want to make to stop me having to hand make them. I'm a little disappointed about the amount of water. Oh, can I build over water? Is that a thing we can do? Oh, I have to find out. There is a theory which states if anyone ever finds out what the universe is and why it's here, it will instantly disappear and replaced by something even more bizarre and incompatible. Yeah, I've heard this. I believe it was Mr. Adams himself, right? That's not what I want. Look at this. Belt going one way, belt going the other. Let's just get rid of that. Not asked to... What? No? Oh, do you not want to be rid of it? Be rid of it. Okay, cool. I kind of feel like we should have dragged it a little bit further. Oh, this is where the copper's coming from. Oh, hey, what's you? Oh, use the thing. They're fun in fictions and story, yeah. I have walked away from my power source without repowering. Okay. Yeah, the problem is we have absolutely no way of testing any of this big picture stuff. Every now and then we find out that we've got a new lens on something. We know, for instance, that we can get more information from gravitational waves than we currently do. Are you guys aware of why the microwave background is where it is? So there was this process called what was it? The moment of reionization, something like that. And it's when hydrogen became see-through. You know, if you had a balloon of hydrogen, you'd be able to see through it. But at such a high temperature, plasma starts taking on some colors and stuff. And as hydrogen was like the entire universe, and it got that hot, suddenly the photons couldn't go anywhere because they're just bouncing around the hydrogen, right? If you run that forward through time, i.e., getting cold again, it ends up being that, you know, photons are bouncing around and suddenly they're let free. And that's why the cosmic microwave background is where it is. But that's not the beginning of the universe, right? That's not even close to the beginning of the universe. Well, it's pretty close. But you could get an awful lot closer. But we're not allowed to see it because photons couldn't do anything back then. But gravitons or gravitational waves, I mean, gravitons are still yet to be observed, but, you know, gravitational waves are a thing. They say gravitational waves are yet to be observed, but like matter pretty much is the graviton, right? You know, the stuff we're made from. It's the particle that interacts with the gravitational force, you know, space-time, and bends it all around and stuff, much like a photon does, or I always feel a bit weird calling the magnetic force carrier a photon as well. Even though it is, it just feels a little bit weird to me. All right, so we've got some power issues. Let's take care of those power issues. A lack of an item. Why have we got a lack of item? Let's come out of there. Let's just like click a bunch of those. We could make 20 something of them, and we did. Got to wait for a little bit now just for things to be made. One thing I think would improve the game just a little bit, though I'm sure you're not supposed to be using it as heavily as me, is just being able to see this somewhere. You could in Factorio, and I know we shouldn't really be comparing this game to Factorio, but it is. It would be nice if this was down here somewhere. I think that would be great. Most likely you've got a lack of an item because you lack a given item. Yeah, possibly. Okay, we're going to walk around. Let's go have a look at the rest of the planet. I've been going the other way, so let's go. We've got a whole bunch of coal and some iron. Oh man, maybe we want to just like mine this stuff and then make circuit. Yeah, okay, we're going to do this. Gonna go gathering. Can I get a couple of these? Not enough. Can I get a couple of these? Of course not, because I've just used all the materials to make an absurd number of wind turbines. We don't need those. We don't need those. I'm gonna make 2 miners. Let's make 2 miners. To tell you that my ecology teacher keeps calling you a journalist. No. That's cool. That's cool. I believe you mentioned something about it once. Okay, can we connect these together? Let's try and get these 2 grids. Oh. Let's try and get these 2 grids talking to each other. They're like, no water. Okay, we won't build on the water. That's a bit of a shame. Did we get to reclaim? I mean, I'd like to dry this planet out a little bit. You know, there's no need to have such moist conditions here. Something like that. Let's go with something like that. I kind of don't like the fact that the mining machines. Oh, still waiting for them to be built. Don't sit on top of the ore. That's. I'd kind of like to compactify this just a little bit, and that turns out not a way. What have we got over there? Is that more copper over there? Looks like it's more copper. We got some stone. Are there any other resources I should be keeping an eye out for? I kind of feel like we've got the majority of them covered. Yeah, let's just go float over water. How long until that really ruins my day by draining all my power? I assume it's going to drain my power. Okay, we got 2 of these now. Beautiful. I'm just going to connect these to the grid. I'm fine with them being on the right angular. Okay, that's pretty good. And then must be able to get there. We'll go with that. We'll go with that. That's a good iron. Hey, Legit, how you doing, buddy? It's good to see you, man. Good to see you. So can we merge conveyor belts? This is a question. So welcome to Dyson Sphere Program. Totally remembered what it was called there. Where I'm trying to find out how to merge 2 belts onto one. But more importantly, we are trying to make magnets. Okay, it looks like it favors one over the other. I'm fine with that. We're just going to run this lot up here somewhere, something like that. Gameplay Logic says there are resources you don't have access to yet. Yes, there will be some, but are there just on this planet, or do I need to go looking around for them somewhere else? You know, do I need to get off planet? I mean, obviously, I'm going to have to get off planet at some point. That's almost a given, right? That is almost a given. Okay, so from here, we want to be making our... there we go, smelter. We want to be making our magnets here. We've only got 2 smelters. That's a bit of a shame, but we'll just run with it. We'll go with it for now. Let's put down a little bit of another power system over there. It's not going to build because my robots can't go out that far. Bit of a shame. Okay, cool. Right. We've got this. I want to put you onto magnet duty. You be magnets, yo, and that one, and this one. Okay, the greater than, less than trick. Beautiful. You go in there. Let's get some more conveyor belt on the go. I've got a feeling that maybe actually extracting these conveyor belts as far as they have wasn't a great idea. Is this too close? We had stuff that was too close last time. I'm not sure if... Okay, that works. Right, like that. Beautiful. So we got magnets coming out of here. Right, great. That's a good start. Then from magnets, we want to introduce them to copper plates. Okay, so magnets and copper plates need to go together to make the other magnets. All right, that's cool. Electromagnets. Go that way, go this way, and then go up here. Okay, the belt forms. We have started. I've got a feeling I'm not going to need the ore any further up. We're just going to run this one over this way. Am I in line? Yes. Okay, let's try that. Can sorters pass over? Okay, so what we're going to find out, we're going to make an assembly machine. We're definitely going to need to extend some other things off this way, but we've got We've got copper plates over there, so let's pop that there. I need to go get coal. Oh no! I'm assuming coal is one of my best sources of power right now. Wow! Look at the like sunrise or sunset or whichever one it is right now. That's pretty crazy. I like that. I like that a lot. We should definitely have a look at the map again in a second. I'm gonna get this guy walking over to my coal production facility over there. We're gonna have a look at the map. Look at this. Oh, I love this. This is great. This is great. So press the middle mouse button to zoom around stuff. There's my star. I've got a gas giant that I'm around, but I'm on a moon, and then there's another moon. Arid desert. Nice, nice. Okay, so are we close? Is he actually walking? All right, mate. Whatever. Go walk through that water. I don't care. So what happens if I actually run my power down? What are the magnets for? We're starting to build research equipment so that we can get actual research underway instead of just walking around talking about Dyson spheres. Let's get a bunch of that. Thanks. Cool. Nice. Mecha panel, put that in there. All right, cool. We could probably fill this up. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make a storage. We're going to put a storage panel. Not enough. Let's go make a storage box. All right, cool. Thanks. Oh man, what are we making here? It looks like it's some sort of concrete. Can I not? Is it not making it? Is it making it? It doesn't look like it's making oh, okay. So something went wrong there. I'm not sure why that suddenly took so long. Game over. I don't know. Can I actually run out? That's the question. Can I actually run out of power? Which one's the storage? There it is. Let's put you over this way. Yeah, like that. Okay, cool. I'm down. I'm down. Let's get.
Which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
Okay, running out of conveyor belts. I'm working on that. Which can be used to store cargo. Crazy, right? That the storage is all about storing cargo. I would never have guessed. You did run out of power, that's why you're walking through the water. Yeah, I thought that might be the case. Oh, turns out I needed that liquid. Yeah, we're currently at looking down in the bottom right-hand corner here. 1 in the morning. That's crazy. All right, do we have enough conveyor now to combine these two together? I sure do hope so. There and then no. Oh, it needs to be sorted in there, right? Yeah, sorter. And like that. Okay, cool. And now it should just be storing a whole bunch of coal up for me. Beautiful. Capacity for automation. We've got 30. What liquid? It was apple and blackcurrant flavored water. Do you like mythology? Yeah, I like mythology. Mythology is pretty cool. The thing, mythology is a very like wide subject, you know. Okay, that's looking good. Now we can make ourselves some proper power. Okay, so I believe I was in the middle of sorting out some electromagnets so that we can use them for research, right? Back from fooding. What did you have for food, Cubic? What did you have for food? I should have picked up much more iron and stuff, right? I'm trying to also make the conveyor belts, sorters, sorting machines, assemblers. All this stuff needs to be made. So this is basically made from an iron ingot and a gear. I could make that over here, right? If I be like, excuse me, this, no. If I do that, am I going to get rid of them? Does it go anywhere? I don't know what happened to it. Maybe they ended up in my inventory. So no, not smelters. Do we actually want to put the assemblers for gears? I'm going to rip all this down because the magnets are being made elsewhere, and I'm wondering where's the assembler? Whether the assembler is the one I want. First thing I automated was research, then conveyor belts. I'm going to do conveyor belts, then research, but yes. Yeah, I was just kind of walking around, talking, getting used to the game to begin with. That was pretty rubbish. Now that I see it pretty much is just a carbon copy of Factorio with some different skin to it. I think I got it. I think I can figure this out. I'll tell you what I should have done first was to make sure that actually gears are there. Right, beautiful, beautiful. So we want some more of those. One there, there and there. All right, cool. So from this, we should be able to make ourselves some conveyor belts. You know, conveyor belts are the way forwards. Bam, bam. All right, belts come out of here. Let's just drag this down here. It really sounds like it's trying to be SimCity though, you know, or maybe Surviving Mars, something like that. It's got that like hopeful ambient electronic dance music feel going down, you know, which I'm not hugely averse to. It's all right. Could be worse. Electromagnetic equals copper wire and iron bar. Yeah, they seem to have to put it round a magnetic core in this game for some reason, but I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. What's next? What's next? We need some more of this. No, let's get rid of that. More of these sorters, and we want to go from you to you. Of course you're colliding. I'm trying to take that out of there. Why won't you? Oh, wrong one. That's why. Not conveyor belt, sorter. Oh, I wonder how that happened. Like that. All right, beautiful. You to there, and then you to there. That's not quite where I wanted it, but it's fine. It's fine. What about over this side? Okay, so now I'm starting to get it. I feel like we can make some beautiful things. I'm already feeling like there's not enough room for everything I want to do. We'll go from here instead. That's very bad placement on that power pole there, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so they're going. Why aren't you guys going? What's wrong with you? You're missing something? You got Fair enough. It doesn't need raw iron. It needs the processed iron. We can do that. There's a funky and a bit gory miniseries on Netflix called Blood of Zeus. Oh, what? As in actual Zeus? I'm trying to think how I want this organised now that I've figured out what we're actually doing. I mean, have I figured out what we're actually doing? I mean, kind of. Let's try, in fact, coming in like this. Production, that here. But yeah, before we get even close to the O'Neill, sorry, I was about to talk about the O'Neill. Before we even get close to the Dyson Sphere, I feel like we're going to be building a lot of O'Neill cylinders, you know? Little things up in space. Like Jeff Bezos himself is like, hey, guys, this is the future. And if he wants to invest money in that, I'm all about it. It's animated. I had a feeling. So how do we go about expanding this? I've got a feeling we're just gonna end up spaghettied into oblivion here. We can do better. Let's just take a few of these out. We'll provide power in a second. Look at that. Beautiful. That's the one we wanted. And then these provide power back over that way. In fact, we might even be able to take this one out. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Too many escapes in this game. Gabonski is mainly a Polish thing. I mean, it sounds like it. Shift click. Pick up from here, I suppose, would be the way. And then we're going to bring this round. Both of these are going to come down and together for the final bit of processing. Something like this. We'll run them next to each other. And then we'll get a whole bunch of these. We'll have to figure out... lack of item. Buildings, assembling machine, all of those. Oh, no. Copper? We're missing copper, do you reckon? Yeah, very much. I think the tech tree in this game needs rethinking, though. It costs the last 7 things the tech tree used, the last 3 technically were the first 8% uses the first 3. Yeah. I mean, the thing is, they try. Oh, what's this? They try to gate stuff, right? They're like, this is late game and this is early game and this is what? Oh, it's a bunch of materials that need to be used on the other side. Need to be built. Sorry, on the other side. Let's quickly grab some wood to burn. Mispronounce, yeah, you know. Cabanosi? Super thin, about 1 centimeter in diameter. That sounds like a wiener, my friend. Oh, I think our core energy might already be depleted. I'm like, why are we taking so long to cut this thing down? We're gonna throw that in there and throw this in there. Maybe throw some coal ore as well. A little bit more of this. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's go and pick some things out of these machines. I really wish there was a button to pick these all out automatically. There might very well be, actually, that I just don't know of. Might very well be. Okay, these guys are like, please, we're dying from power. Okay, let's put that there. Nice, nice, nice. Need to make a proper wind farm somewhere. Proper wind farm. Okay, what else were we trying to make? It was the assembly machines, right? Let's come into here. Buildings, assemblers. Why not now? We've got all the plates. Got all the plates. Because it's not copper, I'm sure. Oh no, it's not copper, I'm sure of at all. It's iron. Okay, no worries. We'll just head towards the next set of orders that haven't been filled out. No problem. Used to think the last 3 are a lot in the upgrade menu. Okay, all right. Yeah, I mean, I'd try some tasty Polish sausage. I hear you guys are pretty good at sorting that stuff out. So I'm all down. I'm all down. Let's try and go. Do I need to put a storage at the end of this lot? Are these things that I'm going to need to pick up a lot? Should we try it? Should we put one down anyway? Let's have a look in here. Building storage. Just one of those will be fine. Thanks very much. They're smoked. I mean, also down. Also sounds great. Smelters. There we go. Storage. All right. We'll just tuck a little storage in somewhere, like just like that. Beautiful, beautiful. What's the green line? It's one of the major lines of latitude or something, right? Logistics U from here to there. All right, cool. And while we're at it, please give me the power. I need all this power. We come into here. Is there a way of stacking this? Yeah, look at that. All right, beautiful. Let's get rid of this inferior wood product. Carbon. Organic carbon. I'm not into burning that inside my machine. Thank you. All right, we'll take this compressed organic carbon instead. Yes. Okay, this needs to be given the gears or gear recipe. That's the word I'm looking for. You can tell it's getting into the last half hour. I'm just like, the Dutch Rockwurst is also great. There's a debate about which brand is best, however. Yeah. I mean, anything with a wurst on it, right? You and you. Lack of items. Oh man. We'll get there, guys. We'll make enough stuff one day. We'll make enough stuff one day. The sort of not let. Oh, that's why. I was like, why is this not letting the bars through? But actually, no, dude. If you could please, We've got a little break in that. Okay, does that now make it better? Okay, cool. Is it gonna make it past? Some of them make it past. All right, cool. We're definitely gonna need more of these guys, but we'll see. Naturally refined carbon, yeah, of course. Okay, I guess we're going to be putting our new production line on this side. Let's see what we can make here. I'm hoping this is conveyor belts now, right? Yeah, nice. All right, we need a Tesla tower. Let's just kind of set this up back here somewhere. All right, looking good, looking good. Right. You in there and you in there. Does that work? Does it work? Tell me it works. It works. All right, beautiful. All right, cool, nice. I'm all about it. I'm all about it. You shouldn't be making. No, it's I keep copying the machine, and it's like, oh, you wanted the thing from the machine, did you? It's like, no, I didn't. All right, that one. Go. Oh, all right, great, beautiful. Beautiful. Let's look at that. Look, they're making it. Oh wow, there's like actual robot arms making them. They're my children, you know. Look at me. Look at them. Isn't the family resemblance obvious? I prefer Harmer brand and can't stand Unox. Well, others have the opposite. Well, as with almost anything flavor based, it's about what you grew up with, right? It's about what you grew up with. Let's go for this. What? Oh no. Are we gonna have to come out one further? I mean, maybe like this. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, cool. Starter base is a go. You come out to here, and then we'll have a little storage depot down the end. They're like, oh please, we don't have enough. Just go ahead and build one. Just go ahead and build one. Yeah, they're your children. It's child labour. Press the up button when building a conveyor belt. You want me to build some higher up? All right, we'll do that. Let's set up a storage first. Does storage need to be powered? Turns out yes. Something like that. Let's go with that. We need more power. More power. So I've been neglecting research. We should probably get on with that. But I've now got a whole bunch of conveyor belts being made. You've done it already, have I? No, it was just the tutorial. Let me know. Let's put down. I mean, I don't know what needs to go where. This is the question. What needs further? What else do we use? So next thing is to get the assembly machine, right? Oh man, so the circuit board's gonna get made. All right, turns out we're going back to the other side, back to the other factory. Yeah, what will you do with your kids otherwise, if not child labor? I mean, it's very reasonable, yeah, we definitely need to work on the assemblers next. I feel like the way this planet is laid out is not very helpful, you know? Not very helpful at all. Let's head over this way. Oh wait, get a power upgrade before we do anything like that. All right, nice. Can't go traveling without enough snacks to see us through. This is the thing. Could do smart child labor. How would you do smart child labor? What's the definition there between the two? How'd you tell one from the other? So this guy, oh, he's got no recipe. Okay. So was this where we were making the magnets? I think this might have been where we were making the magnets. Look, like that. All right, cool. He's like, please, I need power. Just please. You and you. Look at that. We did it. Let's go and fix this conveyor belt down there. Cute kids doing cute stuff. Put them on YouTube, gain money. Yeah, all right. Yeah, that is kind of the way it's supposed to work nowadays, right? Can't build on the wall. I don't think so. Let's start with a conveyor belt. So we can go across the water. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so conveyor belts can go across water. That's cool. We can figure that out. The next thing I want to try afterwards, destroy, please, thanks. We'll just wipe all this out, even though they're in the middle of doing stuff. They're like, oh please, but why? Okay, that's good. That's good. Get rid of that one as well. Next thing, can we put down, I don't know, an assembly building or something? Do we have assemblers? Okay, so this needs foundational support. Okay, we need to put some sort of foundation down for them. I assume we're going to learn at some point. All right, let's get ourselves some more of this. I think we're going to end up with a lot of conveyor belts going around. Okay, M. Can I tell this guy to walk over this way? No. Okay, he doesn't just walk anyway. No, okay, that's a shame. That's a shame. I was kind of hoping that I could get a good overview and send him down to the other place. Drain the lake. That's what the Dutch did. All right, yeah. Why not? Why not? We'll push it all back. We'll build a big wall. We'll get some little kid to come along and save the day. It'll be great. It'll be great. All right, what's going on over here? Hello, I'm after my conveyor belt, if you don't mind. That would be pretty handy. We need to figure out where the equatorial line is and do a storage bus all across the equatorial line. I think that might be a winner. Whoop whoop beep. Take items, split items, take multiple items of the same type, take all items of the same type. Got them stone thing. What, a dam? Okay, coming into the last 20 minutes of the stream. You never know, we might be able to get some research underway. Hey kids, here's a bucket you can play when the lake is empty. That sounds like a great way. Or what you actually do is you convince them that playing with the bucket is fun, you know? That is play. Got a feeling we could have done this a lot better. You know what? Let's do this a lot better. Wipe that out. Grab ourselves from down here. Production assembler. Collides. Oh no. Okay, so that's how many we can get on there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, now we got to put the sortings in. I suppose actually first let's say, hey, can you make those? Thank you very much. Doop 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 doop. I am building so under scale here. I think we can all tell that really this should be 10 times the size it is, something like that. Just about every aspect of this needs scaling up. Oh, wait, why did I do that for? I'm just going to do that. We'll come along and get rid of the old ones. Lol. That one and that one. How do we get rid of you, and you? There we go. Lol. Okay, I think we are good. We might even be able to produce some of our magnet. Yeah, this is cool. Shift click. That's the thing. I'm just clicking at the moment. I've got to learn the shift click. We'll just go down here for. We'll just go down here for now, as I was saying. Can we make another storage bin? Maybe we'll make 5 of them this time. Might take a little bit of time, but that's fine. That's fine. Why only one? Is one all we could make? Is one actually all we could make? We're out of iron. That's why. Look at this. We've got some stone. We've got some titanium. We've got titanium ore. Oh no, I'm out of liquids now. This is great shame. Great shame. All right, we're gonna bring this guy. Gotta get all of these guys to dump out onto the conveyor. What am I missing here? Why is this not working? It's copper plates. Wait, not. I'd started one line running and I didn't join the other one on. I see what's happened here. Can we cross the lines? Is that a thing that can happen? Can lines get crossed? Can we use... I bet I know what we can use. I bet we can do this. We go from you and we go from you. Right, plug those back into place. And then from over here... Sounds like I need more iron mines. I agree. We're coming down this way, and then just at the last moment, we're going to come over down here. Maybe that's a little bit too far. That's fine. We'll make it work. I'm hoping that we can use the sorter to go from here to here. Yes. All right. Beautiful. You can go really high up with them too. I keep forgetting about that. Yeah. We don't need to go along pretending we're just like ground-dwelling plebs. This is not what life should be. You know, not what life should be. It's all about climbing higher, being the most excellent. Can we get all these built, guys? Get all these built. Save successful. Why, thank you. Okay, we've definitely still got more power problems. I think the wind turbines are going to be one of the next things that I automate. Not thinking in the higher dimensions like you're supposed to. I'm not even thinking in the number of dimensions that I'm in, let alone the higher ones. Okay, let's try that. Let's see if this churns out well. I should have a a storage facility here. I'll just pop you down. Does it need power? Probably does. Everything else does. Everything needs power. One of the challenges of these games, right? Something like so. And then we'll put the storage up this end from it. I'm kind of okay with it colliding with those objects. Okay, there we go. Spends too much time talking. Inefficient. Robot overlords are displeased. It's true. I do spend far too much time talking. But I'm all right with that. Could you imagine this if I wasn't? If I wasn't. Okay, what's wrong now? What's wrong now? It all looks fine. There is a power issue. That's okay. Power issues are easy to sort out. Easy. Okay, we got the flow. This is going into this one. I'm not sure how long until this one actually classes as full. I mean, can we wait one? I think I see a bit of a problem here. Let me just copy this across and like drag a few of those out, and then also when that goes down, drag a few of these across like this. This is not the way it should be, but we'll just do it like this for now. I wonder how much power that's taken. All right, we'll be able to do this better, right? Let's do this better. Let's get rid of all this and let's just jump the track. Let's get it back there somewhere, something like that. So many power issues. Oh. You could just make a bridge with the conveyor. Yeah, I could. Okay, so we go from here. We go up. Endpoint must be horizontal. Okay. Oh, it almost wants to do that. And then we go down. And we go in here, and we go through to that. Okay, cool. That works. Let's try and think about how to destroy that underneath, because it's just not necessary. Okay, we probably could have done that a little bit smoother, but I like it. How do we still not have the power? Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Oh, lack of items now. What's this coming out? Oh, I was like, what's this coming out my back? Actually, it's a drone trying to catch up with me. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so over here, we got a whole bunch of magnets. Look at that all straight away. Bam, 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 bam. Just made the conveyor go on top of the other. No, 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 no. Okay, so that's that one done. We've got ourselves a new piece of research up and coming in a second. The thing we do need to work on is this. Like, what do we do with this? I'm going to pop it down for the moment. We're going to have a look at it. We're going to see what it's all about. So, look at this.
Lab. You can use it to make super matrices or research technologies that require them to unlock.
So
super matrices are the source code of the center brain for maintaining the home world. You can upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the home world simultaneously.
Okay. What I'm actually taking away from that is the fact that we need to make the circuits. So let's have a look in our replicator over here. Components, circuits. So it is 1 iron and 1 copper plate. I've got a feeling, guys, that we can make that work. Excuse me. I'll have a little clear of yon throat. Okay, let's just get rid of this. All this ore that we're picking up, we'll find somewhere to put it. We are going to come down till I can find somewhere to put a bunch of other smelters. I've got a feeling that at some point we're going to end up extending to about there, but until then, 1, 2, 3. I don't know how many we want. We're just going to make a bunch of plates. Oh, lack of item. Turns out 4. By the way, some buildings like labs and storage boxes stack on top of each other. Okay, and labs can be used for making research blocks or researching with research blocks. Okay, so I use the lab to make the box and then have to put that box into another lab to convert it into research points. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I can live with that. Can I click these up into there? No? Yeah, cool. All right, beautiful. Just want to keep myself powered, you know. Drive engine level 1. You can now fly at increased movement speed. Yes, press the double click. Woo-wee. Let's land.
Receive the ability to fly. Double click the space key to lift off, and then use the arrow keys to control mecha movement. The moving speed will increase by 150%, with more energy consumed under flight mode. Pressing the Alt key can return the mecha to the ground during the flight.
Okay, we've had a beautiful suggestion from my man Landstrider. Can you try putting the wind turbines on the water? Yes, we most definitely will try to put the wind turbines on the water. That's a great idea. Lack of Tesla towers as well. That's a bit of a shame. What do we need for the Tesla tower? Why are these not? Iron and magnetic coil. Okay, so this might be another thing that we want to make. I mean, now that I'm learning all the different recipes, I feel like there could have been a much better way of laying all this out, you know? Much better way of laying all this out. But that's fine. Let's produce a few more while we're at it. Let's go see if we got plates being made. Like if we can shortcut the plate situation, then maybe we can do stuff. All right, flight, go. Over that way. Yes. Because we could do with more conveyors anyway, right? But man, that landing feels a little bit every time. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got plates and gears. Do you reckon anything need plates and gears? Let's have a look. Plates and iron. Plates, gears, and magnets. Plates, man. I don't think anything now is actually buildable that I want. No. All right, turns out, what's this? Ooh, stone ore into glass. Ooh, maybe we will get round to making that. Yeah, this whole base over here, I think we might end up just ripping it down. I think we're just gonna rip it down. Let's have a look. We got some wind turbines coming in now. Beautiful, beautiful. Collide with other objects. Get out of my way. It needs foundational support. Press up, press up, press up. Nah, unfortunately it's not working. Yeah, no, unfortunately no. No turbine action on the water. That's a shame. That's a great shame. Yeah, I feel like this whole place needs to be ripped down and taken to the other place. Probably horrendous efficient, but you could probably transport electricity with Tesla coils. Yeah, I mean that's what they're doing here. Let's get some more. Oh, not really much more I need to do with that actually. Yeah, big bummer. Big bummer. Okay, so with that in mind, and the fact that I was coming to pick up plates, that's what didn't happen there. Okay, cool. Maybe now we can go and get the rest of the way. Whilst we're traveling, I'm going to make a whole bunch of the Tesla towers. Like that. And then we can just extend our power where we need it to go. Did you know that that's what Tesla was working on when he came up with the Tesla tower, was a wireless method of power transfer? So urban legends will have you believe anyway. Let's get rid of that one. Copy that to here. Yeah. Okay, I'm about that. And then this goes thuswards. Okay, and it goes over the water. Beautiful. Okay, that's as far as we can go. It's a shame. It's a shame. But he never finished it. Apparently, Nasty Edison didn't like it. Yeah, I mean, who knows? Who knows? I mean, wires is a lot easier. Let's be honest. Wires is a lot easier. Wait, stop. We need to be this one. Thanks. You. Do we have sorters on this side? We don't. All right. That saved us from problems there. Sorter in and in. Okay, cool. Having them exactly opposite like this is a little bit awkward, but could be worse. Could be better. Sorted. All right, cool. We got some power under. We got some plates underway. This is nice. This is nice. So there's plates mixed with. Oh, this is gonna spaghetti big style. Should we do it? I think we should do it. How many more of these do I have? No more. No more. I am not about that. Fly. Let's go get them. I like that we can see what's being produced everywhere. Discovered any new music recently? Yes, plenty of new music. I would have to have a look on my Bandcamp though, unfortunately. But yes, I have. Oh, look at this guy. They're all trying to be like, no, wait, sorry, could you please? Keep this turning. Yeah, I can't actually think off the top of my head the new music I've been finding. It's all a bit glitch hoppy. Well, it's not even glitch hoppy. It's all just a bit glitchy. Not yet right, but it looks like they're getting ready to. Oh, what nearby? How come? It's all sort of glitchy dance music. Some of it's fast, some of it's disappointingly slow. I like fast music. I don't know if you guys are aware. I should imagine you guys are aware by now. Okay, can we get this fixed up? Let's get these circuits on the go. Definitely see why people have been sinking an awful lot of time into this. Can we go down underground? We can't go down underground, that's a shame. We're gonna go like this. And I want to end up over here somewhere. Turn sideways. Let's see what's going on. All right, and then we're just going this way. We're just gonna carry on. Yeah, that works. All right, cool. I got suggested recently, kind of glitch country. Wow, yeah, that sounds weird. Here in the Netherlands, people are protesting the curfew by breaking into stores and such. Yeah, but no, I haven't, mate. I haven't. I always thought you guys were quite reasonable, you know. Can I get these? Oh, it's because I'm in construction mode. There we go. Now, about all I've heard about from the Netherlands is some sort of like child support scandal, something like that. That's literally all I've heard about, and I'm like, well, if that's the worst you got, then you're doing all right. Organic crystals again. Nice, nice. It's called Backwards Man by Thomas Fenn. Well, Backwards Man is in the can walk backwards as fast as you can. Tom Green did a sketch. Wait, it was part of, I don't want to say the name of the movie, but okay. All right. So we've now got magnets and we've got iron plate. I believe this is what we need to be making. Where are you? This component here. Yeah. Oh no, it was okay. Well then we also do this. Is there a way to split belts? Do we have splitters? Is splitters a thing? I don't see it. So I was supposed to actually get these two together, which is fine, because we just run this further down. Go up. And then go down as fast as it will. I'm not sure how far it will go with down, not up. Is that the maximum it will go? All right, cool. Maybe I wanted to get. The thing is, I want to leave expansion room. I want to leave expansion room. Why do you want to name the movie? Because there's rude words in it. Okay, something like that. It's not as rude as you'd think, but it's still there. Not storage, production, assemblers. All right, we're nearly there. We've nearly got circuits. Circuits. Okay, cool. You go. All right, cool. Tesla power. Not gonna be able to do all of these. Let's do you, and let's do you, and then let's figure out how we get you. Oh, look at this, connected with the rest. Look, not easy. No. Are the words in the movie itself or in the title? In the title. Okay, let's go this way. How am I running out of power still? How is this even a thing? I would like to call the board of directors and make a complaint. It's just not helpful. Just not helpful. You to that. It's like, no, we need to have the belt in place first. I'm like, okay, we'll build the belt then. There. All right, beautiful. Oh man, we've only got 3 of these left. I'm gonna need more. Probably gonna be one of the next things I automate is the sorters here. Okay, let's come in. Buildings, sorters. Produce. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Do we have any coming out yet? Is there any coming out? All right, here comes the fresh ingots. They come up and over, they get picked up, they get put into the machine. The machine then spits circuits out. And with that, I am going to say thank you very much for joining me for this adventure, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you guys next time where maybe we're carrying on with this. Maybe we're going to play something else. I don't know. Put your votes down below. Let me know one way or the other. If you did like it, give us a thumbs up. That's a nice, easy, quick way of letting me know. But I'll see you next time when we're going to do all of that. Bye. I can't get out the window, guys. It won't let me leave.